Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add effects on Instagram notes. If you've been searching for a way to add special celebration effects to your Insta notes, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add celebration effects to Instagram notes. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon at the top right corner of your home screen to access your direct messages. At the top of your chat conversation list, you will see the Notes section. Now, tap on your profile picture or your note at the beginning of the Notes section. Once you tap, a new screen will appear for you to add a note message. In the note text field, type a short message that you want to add. You can write "Happy Birthday," "Happy Anniversary," or any other text message. To add celebration effects to your notes, you need to include some special emojis. You can add a party popper emoji, partying face emoji, balloon, cake, gift box, and more along with your text message. After adding your desired emoji, tap that share button to post your note. Check out how the celebration effect will look. Now, all of your friends and followers will see this type of celebration bubble effect on the screen once they tap on your note.